Assalamualaikum. Today my group will answer questions number 7 and 8. For 7a, we got the functions equation, which is square root 4x plus 5. Then the question asks to find f inverse and state domain in range. First step, kita gantikan f inverse dalam equation ni. So and then to eliminate the square root, we have to square both sides, and then we got this. Then just rearrange and make the f inverse as a subject. Then we got the f inverse. For domain, I just twist from domain fx to get range of f inverse. So as we know that dalam ni we must do greater or equal to 0. So I just rearrange and put the x as a subject, and then got negative 5 over 4. So the range of f inverse is negative 5 over 4 to infinity. For the range, I just substitute the x in this equation to get y. So the domain of f inverse is 0 to infinity. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. So today, for question 7b, they want us to verify that f inverse composite of fx equal to f composite of f inverse equal to x. So first, we have to find the f inverse first, and this is the answer. And then we find the f inverse composite of fx, and we get x. And then we also do the same for f composite of f inverse, and we also get x. Therefore, f inverse composite of fx equal to f composite of f inverse equal to x.
Given fx equals to x minus 2 squared minus 1, where x is greater or equal to 2. We can find f inverse by using the composite function f and its inverse f inverse equals to x. Then we can sub in f inverse into the function fx, and we will get bracket f inverse minus 2 bracket squared minus 1 equals to x. Then we can bring negative 1 to the right side, and we get x plus 1. And then we can bring over the square by square root both sides, and we will get plus minus set x plus 1. Next, bring over negative 2 to the other side, and we get positive 2. So f inverse equals to 2 plus minus set x plus 1. So the basic shape for the function fx is a quadratic. And it's already given x is greater or equal to 2. Therefore, its domain is x greater or equal to 2. And to find the range of fx, we can sub in 2 into fx to find the y-axis. Therefore, we will get the range of fx equals to negative 1 to infinity. And question wants us to find the domain and range of f inverse. And since f inverse is the inverse of fx, we can conclude that the range of fx is equal to the domain of f inverse, and the domain of fx is equals to the range of f inverse. Therefore, the domain of f inverse is negative 1 to infinity, and the range of f inverse is 2 to infinity.
since we need to sketch the graph of fx and f inverse x, so the equation said fx equal to x minus 2 square minus 1, x must be greater than equal to 2. So the fx equal to x minus 2 square minus 1, we need to expand this, so we get x square minus 2x minus 2x plus 4 minus 1. So x square minus 4x plus 3 we just put in calculator, so we get x equal to 3 and x equal to 1. So the graph will look like this. So the circle must be dotted because the equation said greater than equal, so we just dotted the circle. So just through the value of x 3, because 1 is not include because 1 is less than 2. So to sketch the graph of f inverse x, we know that fx is the reflection for f inverse, so the line will reflect at y equal to x. So for the f inverse, the x-axis is 2 and y-axis is -1. We just swap the y and x, so at f inverse, the x-axis is -1 and the y-axis is 2. So same with fx, the dot must be dotted, then just draw it and reflect at the line y equal to x.